Hi, I'm David Cleary. I'm the Head of Engineering, Manufacturing and Computing at South Tyneside College. This short video will tell you a bit about Career College North East and the benefits of joining us. When you join Career College, you open up a range of opportunities for developing skills and knowledge in engineering and IT, which are not available to you at school. You will attend college for 2 days per week, studying 2 Level 2 BTEC qualifications in engineering and IT. This is equivalent to 2 GCSEs. Engineering and IT are areas of skill shortages here in the North East. Over 23,000 engineering and manufacturing jobs will be created in the North East over the next 5 years. With significant investment in major projects like the new International Advanced Manufacturing Park in Sunderland. Newcastle is second in the UK for high quality growth digital businesses. We have a software and technology sector which is worth £2 billion. There are 29,000 IT and digital jobs in the North East, and it's growing in areas such as data analytics, virtual reality, cybersecurity, software development and games design. Career College will prepare you for a career in these exciting developing sectors. As well as your BTEC qualifications, you will study a sport leader qualification. This will develop skills in communication, team working and leadership. You will also learn practical skills in welding, precision manufacturing, electrical installation and computer aided drawing. In industry standard workshops equipped to give you skills that employers want. And finally, you will do all this within an Ofsted rated good college environment, the type of environment that will allow you to mature and develop your potential a step ahead of pupils in schools. So come and join us and get ahead in your career. Our open event is online on the 10th of December at 5:30. For more information, just head over to our website and get in touch. Thank you.